Asian Paints WoodTech Aquadur PU is a clear, water-based single-pack system for wood finishing, which can be applied on any wooden substrate and has both interior and exterior variants in matte and glossy finishes. It is an eco-friendly product with low VOC and low odor. It has been certified as child-safe as per the European EN 71.3 norms for low metal toxicity. It can be applied easily using a brush and a roller, which makes it very convenient to use. Being water-based, it does not yellow and has a high flexible film, which makes it the best product for exterior usage. Asian Paints WoodTech Aquadur PU is manufactured and packaged in Italy before being imported to India by Asian Paints. Product features: WoodTech Aquadur PU interior, easy application. Aquadur can be applied with a brush and roller, making it far easier to apply than conventional PUs, which is always spray painted. Environment friendly, Aquadur PU has very low toxic metal content and is EN 71.3 compliant for low metal toxicity, making it child safe. Aquadur water-based PU surpasses European standards for low VOC and is virtually odorless, making it a green product in the complete sense. Quick drying. Complete painting your furniture twice as fast with Aquadur PU as compared to conventional PUs. In addition to these features, Asian Paints WoodTech Aquadur PU exterior has superior exterior durability. Aquadur PU guards your furniture against the elements of nature. With a high flexible and UV resistant film, it protects wood against sun and water and also prevents it from yellowing. Product specifications: low VOC. Asian Paints WoodTech Aquadur PU VOC is 80 grams per litre and surpasses the European norms of 130 grams per litre. Coverage. The coverage rate is about 120 to 140 square feet per litre. Method of application: spraying or brush and roll. Drying time: surface drying time 1 hour, tack-free time 2 hours, recoating time 4 to 5 hours. Mixing ratio: mix 5 to 10% potable water with both WoodTech Aquadur Clear Base Coat and WoodTech Aquadur Clear Top Coat. Stability of thinned paint: use within 24 hours post-mixing. Gloss level: 75 to 80% in gloss finish, 10 to 20% in matte finish. Application process: before starting the application process, do ensure that you are wearing the necessary safety equipments. Start cleaning the wooden surface by sanding it with sandpaper number 180 followed by sandpaper numbers 320 or 400. In case of exterior surfaces, apply 2 coats of Asian Paints WoodTech Aquadur preservative. And let it dry for 2 hours before staining the surface. Apply a coat of Asian Paints WoodTech Aquadur water-based stain of your choice by ragging on the wooden surface. Do not sand the stained or impregnator coat. Mix WoodTech Aquadur Clear Base Coat with 5 to 10% potable water. Apply 2 coats of the mixture on the surface by spraying or by brush and roller. Allowing a drying time of 4 to 5 hours in between each coat. Once the surface is dry, remember to sand the surface lightly with sandpaper numbers 320 or 400 in between each intermediary coat. Next, mix Woodtech Aquadur Clear Top Coat with 5 to 10% of potable water. Apply 2 coats of the mixture on the surface by spraying or by brush and roller, allowing a drying time of 4 to 5 hours in between each coat. Once the surface is dry, remember to sand the surface lightly with sandpaper numbers 320 or 400 in between each intermediary coat. Asian Paints Aquadur versus competition. Butyl acetate test and MEK solvent test. This test is used to highlight the superior resistance of Asian Paints Woodtech Aquadur PU towards the chemicals like butyl acetate and MEK solvent, which are present in common household cleaners. The test result clearly shows that the competitor's surface is affected much more than the surface coated with Asian Paints Woodtech Aquadur PU. Stain resistance test. We compare the stain resistance of Asian Paints Woodtech Aquadur PU with its competitor product by first using ballpoint ink, followed by a permanent marker. We see that the stains are cleaned much more easily on the Asian Paint Woodtech Aquadur PU panel than on the competitor product panel. Cigarette butt test. We conducted the cigarette butt test on the panels coated with Asian Paints Woodtech Aquadur PU and its competitor by putting out a cigarette butt on each of the panels. This is done to check the impact of heat on the surfaces. We see that the burn mark left on the competitor panel is much more than that on the Asian Paints Woodtech Aquadur PU panel. Cross-cut adhesion test. A cross-shaped cut mark is made on each of the comparative product panels, and then we try to peel off the chipped paint using a masking tape. The panel coated with Asian Paints Woodtech Aquadur PU exhibits lower chipping and peeling, which clearly implies that Asian Paints Woodtech Aquadur PU has a much better adhesion than its competitor. Sheen test. The sheen level of a finished wooden surface is measured using a glossometer. The higher glossometer reading for Asian Paints Woodtech Aquadur PU denotes a higher sheen when compared to the competitor product. Application tips. A few useful tips that would give a better finish. Stir the paint and the thinned mixture well prior to application. Use between 100 and 120 grams per square meter of paint per coat. Do not pollute Asian Paints Woodtech Aquadur PU with oil, varnish or the likes. Use only potable water for thinning. Apply Woodtech Aquadur wood filler before the application for better grain filling. Ensure that storage and application is done in well-ventilated areas.